guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did these French tips on myself. And this video is also going to be a part of my Lazy Girl Glam series, where I show you guys quick and easy ways to look put together without ever having to put in too much effort. Okay, you guys, I ordered this nail kit from Amazon. The brand is called Beetles, and I'll make sure to leave like a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. This video isn't sponsored. It comes with an application guide. It comes with a package of nail tips. By the way, I just want to apologize in advance if my camera's out of focus. It does that from time to time in this video, and I'm really sorry about that, y'all. Okay guys, so this is their mini UV LED nail lamp. Look how cute it is. I feel like this is only meant for like one finger at a time. And this is their gel nail glue. So for my cuticle oil, you guys, I'm using tea tree oil. And then my press-ons are from the brand Kiss. I got them from my local beauty supply store. They were only $12.99, and I love how like deep the pink is. Like, these are perfect. You could probably find them in Amazon too. And then my nail file, also from Kiss. And then I have this gel top coat polish. So basically, you guys, I start off by filing the surface of my nail bed, and then I'll go around the edges of each of my fingernails just to make it nice and neat. And then I take this purple liquid here, which is nail dehydrant, and that's gonna like suck up all the oils that are left on our nail bed. It just makes it a lot easier for the glue to actually work and stick the press on, or rather bond it to our actual nail. Next, I'm just making sure that my press on fits my nail bed perfectly, which is something you guys should do before you even start the process. It just makes it a whole lot easier. And then I'm gonna place this up under the UV lamp. And guys, it turns on as soon as you touch the bottom of it, so that's really convenient. And that's pretty much it. It's super easy. Now I'm just gonna show you guys me doing the rest of my nails and the process. It's the exact same as before. I just wanted to show you guys in real time how quick this process is. It is literally the easiest thing ever. I don't think I'm gonna go back to the shop to get my nails done in quite a while, because it's so convenient, so cheap, and I like to switch it up sometimes. Today I'm feeling like being classy, you know, and maybe tomorrow I might want to be dramatic, and all under like 20 bucks. This is crazy. I really enjoy like the versatility of press-ons. I don't know why I wasn't doing this before. I honestly had to figure out a way to get them to stay longer for me to even feel like press-ons were worth my time. But once I discovered gel glue, oh, a game changer. A game changer. Because once you put it up under the lamp, the gel cures to your nail, and it ain't going nowhere. Like, these nails literally lasted me almost 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks. I do a lot with my hands, like I do hair and makeup and things like that. So they definitely, you know, went through some trials and tribulations. But overall, I would still definitely recommend this method. I really like this more than just the nail glue. I honestly do. Plus, I know not everybody has time to always sit at a salon, and those prices are just getting higher and higher, honey. Like, trust me, I know. I still go to the salon though to get a pedicure. I'm never gonna stop doing that. But the whole point of this series is to find things that we can do from the comfort of our homes, you know, and that's not also gonna like break the bank, because I understand. I got you, girl. I got you. If y'all have any ideas, please leave them below. Like, I'm open to suggestions. I want to like make this a thing. If you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps me out on the algorithm, you guys, so I really do appreciate that. And I really hope this content was helpful for you guys. I can't wait to do more with this series. So do not forget to leave your suggestions below because I got you, I promise. Look how cute our nails turned out. They're so pretty. You wouldn't even know or couldn't even tell that they're press-ons. And guys, this took me like 20 minutes tops. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of our Lazy Girl Glam series.